Hello and welcome to my channel. I have an unboxing today. It's right here. Hold on, let me grab it. I'm like opening it up. So this is the box. It's called Lasybox and it is a lash subscription box, and sometimes they include like a makeup item or like a tool. And it's pretty cool. I paid like $16 and some change. That includes shipping, and it's like one of my favorite boxes I get a month. I love lashes. I have some lashes on right now. They're the House of Lashes. I forgot what style, but they're really, really pretty. So this is the box. It's very cute. And I'm gonna open it. So this is what we get inside, and I could already see some goodies. So the first one is the Jackie Love Fox Mink lashes in the style Storm, and they're vegan and cruelty free, which I like really like. And these are really pretty. This is like a date night lash. And then the next one are premium silk lashes from Kaz Cosmetics, and these are in the, I guess, style Venus. So that's those, and here's what they look like. They're very cute. The next one is in the style Irish, and they're from the brand Zola Lashes, and they're premium 3D lashes, reusable up to 30 times with proper care. That's pretty cool. So that's what they look like, and they're beautiful. And social medias, if you want to go look at them. This one has a social media too, and then this one has a social media too, and the website if you want to go look at those. And then the last pair of lashes are premium silk lashes, and these are in the style Bellatrix. That's what that looks like. Here's the style, and they're really pretty, and these are vegan and cruelty free, which I love. And then they always include like a little eyelash glue. I never use these. And there's a brush in here from Ruby May, and it's kind of beat up, like really beat up. I'll probably have to wash that. But it's really soft, so that's what that looks like. And there's some cards in here. I guess you could get 20% off your entire purchase if you use the code Jackie Love. No, you could get 20% off your entire purchase from Jackie Love if you use the promo code Lashybox. So if you want to screenshot that. And then from Cast Glow, use code for $5 off your order. Here it is if you want to use that. And just a little Lashybox, little cardboard paper. And last item is this really cute shadow, and I'm gonna open it. Excuse my nails, they chipped. I wash dishes. Mama. And here's the color, and it's like in a matte. It's like, it's kind of patterned, but here you go. It's very pretty, and it's in the color Apollo. And all I have is worms now. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and feel free to use the promo codes and subscribe and like, because I'm going to have way more unboxings coming up. So yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.